You clean it, or maybe you don't. But did you know this tiny scar can reveal big secrets about your health? Your belly button, or navel, is your very first scar. It's a small pocket of skin that's connected to the same neural pathways as your bladder and stomach. And because of its unique folds, it's a hotspot for bacteria. So, what is yours trying to tell you? A funky smell or unusual discharge could be a sign of a bacterial or yeast infection. A persistent lump or bulge might be a harmless umbilical hernia. And that innie or outie shape? It's simply about how you healed as a newborn and doesn't affect your health today. The good news is the solution is simple. Clean your navel gently once a week with a cotton swab and a little soapy water. The most important step? Always dry it thoroughly after you shower. Your body is full of hidden clues. For more simple secrets to better health, make sure to subscribe now.